Hello, so I have created this group which is Healing Epilepsy Now, and this group on Facebook, it's gonna be more about the solutions, and it's basically we are gonna have a community where we take action, and the essence of it is yogic breathing. Now, it's not some breath work that I have invented or I have seen somewhere. This is yogic breathing. It's been here for many years, and I'm not the only one preaching this. It's been practiced by millions of people. It's called pranayama in Hindi, and many people in India practice it. And for epilepsy, especially, these are all the videos. But the sad part is it's in Hindi. And now here's the example of that. It's a simple Google search in which if you only inhale and exhale from the left nostril, if you just do it for 5 minutes, then it's supposed to make you feel calm, and it does. You can just try it out. And similarly, from the right one, if you just inhale and exhale from the right one, then it can make you feel more energetic. So if we do it for just 5 or even 2 minutes, the breath has certain control over the body. You can just do it right now, or you can trust all the anecdotal evidences. So it's called this, the moon and the sun. Like in every body, there is it's a sun, and it's also the moon, and the axis of that is the breath. Okay. Now another thing, it's also called Ida and Pingala. Ida and Pingala, just this photo, that the Ida is connected to the right part of the brain, the Pingala is connected to the left part of the brain. Okay, so it holds a lot of power. Okay, similarly, if you know that people usually have seizures, they are inclined towards one side. Okay, so my head goes tilts towards the right side, which is why my right shoulder is also got dislocated many times. Okay, so this is epilepsy, that usually people have their head tilted towards one side, and it's indicative of the fact that this side of the brain is the that this side of the brain has the more activity going on. Another part of this is the Ayurvedic angle. So, the earth and our bodies, it's not similar, it's same. That, the earth has 72% water, we are also 72% water, and vice versa, and all the others, and all the other material, air, space, earth, fire. So, it's not the proportion is not similar, it's same. So, what happens in epilepsy in Ayurveda is that air is in our body, we very much need it. But what happens is in epilepsy, in some people, the air is not able to, like when people have gas in their stomach, so what happens is air starts to move upwards, and if there is too much air in the brain, okay, it just weakens the nerves, and after some time the nerves are so weak that they are not able to handle the stress, the pressure, and that's when a seizure occurs. It's simply the weakness of nervous system or the nerves in the brain. They are not able to take the pressure, and the brain just wants to shut off because it cannot handle so much pressure. So it's better that it just has a seizure, because people who cannot handle it, they have a stroke. And anyway, most of us do not know the cause of our epilepsy. Doctors say it's idiopathic epilepsy, and it's basically we do not know why it is. But so, you might as well just try what I am suggesting. So in this group, that's what we are going to do. We're going to practice these breathing techniques through Facebook Live, through Google Zooms, and hopefully the vision is that if someone is having seizures and they practice this every day for 15 minutes and more, so we see that the frequency of their seizures decrease. And the final aim is truly that it's not just about controlling epilepsy or just taking medicines and being okay. The true vision mission is that after some time we stop taking medicines and we are free of epilepsy, because as strong as we have a strong nervous system and the body is able to communicate well, the energy systems are just balanced enough, then we are cured of epilepsy. Okay, we are just like every other person. So you can join that group, and what we'll have is that we'll have weekly sessions, and you can practice along for 30 minutes, and just it's going to be a fun way just to even get rid of the side effects. If you do not want to believe that it can help in epilepsy, at least it can lower down the side effects of all the medicines, drugs we are taking. Okay, so thank you. So to show the technique, it's basically that we use the thumb, that's the position we use, the thumb, and we use the ring finger, the right one, and first I'm going to do and show that it's basically just so what I did was that I inhaled from the left, just hold for as long as you can. The number one rule of yoga and pranayama is that you never ever force your breath. It's life. It's not just breath, it's life. It's the life force. So when you inhale from the left, just hold and you exhale from the right, and then you inhale from the right and you hold for as long as you can and you exhale. Now this is one round. Please do one round, or you want to do just for 5 minutes, do for 10 minutes, as long as you can. Okay.